Installing Trimble positions for ArcPad. You can pause, rewind, and control the volume. You can also download the PDF document of the slides in the resources area. If there's a link that you want to go to, you can download the slides and just click on the link in the PDF. Agenda. So we're going to download the software and the documentation, install the software, the Trimble positions for ArcPad, and then activate the software. Okay, so before we start, ArcPad needs to be installed on your mobile device. You also need to have your Trimble positions for ArcPad installation code. We have a Success Center video for both of those if you need help with those. You can obtain your Trimble installation code at www.trimble.com/register. Just make sure you log in with the credentials of the person that originally registered the software. Once you register, then you should be able to find your installation code, click the plus next to it, and get the 4 sets of numbers that is your installation code. If you have a brand new seat of software, you can register your proof of purchase number at the www.trimble.com/register link. Let's go and download our Trimble software. We're going to go to trimble.com, then we're going to go over to Support and Training, hover over that, and then go to Support A to Z List. We'll go down to the Positions Software Suite, the Downloads, and then we're going to download the ArcPad. Let me show you quickly. Or if you would like, if you have downloaded the slides, you can just click on this link from the downloaded slides. Okay, so what version should you download? You need to check the compatibility, which is on the Trimble Positions page. Okay, let's go download the software. Okay, we're at www.trimble.com. Hover over Support and Training, Support A to Z List. And then I'm going to click P to go on down to the P's. And then Positions Software Suite. Here's the downloads I was telling you about that we're going to go to. Let me scroll up a little bit and show you. Here is the product compatibility in case you are wondering what version you need to download, or if you have a question, you are always welcome to contact us. Okay, let's go to the downloads. Here's a Position Software Suite. March 2015 is the most recent when this video was produced. If I click on this, I can go right here is the ArcPad extension that I need. I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'm just going to click on it and it's going to save it. Okay, I'm going to save all of my files for download in a folder marked Positions March 2015. Okay, so download the Positions ArcPad extension and then save it. So it automatically went to my downloads file. I'm going to copy it and put it into a folder named Trimble Positions March 2015. And if you have multiple people installing this, you can save it on the network so only one person has to download it. You can also download the documentation. So same place that we went before, except instead of downloads, you would go right above that to documentation. So instead of downloads, right above that is documentation. And if you click this latest release, this just has the release notes. Down below, go down to November, and you will actually see the admin guide and the release guide and the user guide. Okay. So if the latest release doesn't have the admin release and user guide, go down to the release right below that and you should see them. The admin guide, release notes, and user guide, they all have really useful information. I suggest looking over them. I used ArcPad 10.2.2 and then Trimble Positions ArcPad extension 10.2.2.1 for this video. The installation order is important. You have to have ArcPad on your mobile device before you can install Trimble Positions for ArcPad. Okay, so this video assumes you already have it. We do have a video that can help you install ArcPad if you need help. Okay, you need to hook your GNSS device up to your desktop, and you'll connect it either using Windows Mobile Device Center or XP, depending on the OS. If you don't have those installed, then you can click on the links to install them. And now you're going to double click on the Trimble Positions for ArcPad extension executable. You're going to click through the wizard, and then after that you're going to activate with your installation code. So here is my March 2015 shortcut that I have my Trimble Positions ArcPad extension in. Okay, here I'm going to go, this right here is my installation code. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, here is my extension, ArcPad extension. Yes, I want to go ahead and run it. English. I want to install. Now you have several choices. You have ArcPad extension for Windows. That is if you have a tablet that runs Windows 7, Windows 8, or XP, or you have install positions for Windows Mobile. That is if you have, like a GPS device running Windows Mobile. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Windows Mobile because I have a G07. You might get a message saying that it's going to upgrade if you already have a Trimble Positions installed on your computer. Okay, so here I'm going to go ahead and run through the wizard. Okay, this says check your mobile device to see. Here's my mobile device. It is installing the Trimble Positions ArcPad extension. I'm going to say OK on this. It's going to run on through. It says it was successfully installed. Go ahead and click OK. Now, if you have an SD card, it might prompt you to choose where you want to install. Install in the same place that you installed ArcPad. Okay, so once you're done installing it on the mobile device, you can close on out of the ArcPad extension. And now you can go to activate it. Start. All programs, scroll on down, Trimble, Trimble Positions ArcPad extension, Trimble Positions ArcPad extension activator. Put in your installation code, next. I want to activate over the internet, next, next, completed. So now I can say finish, and it is now activated on my GPS device. If you have a problem with the installation or activation, please contact us and we can help you out.